gonna focus or nah? What's up? What do you do? I'm currently in my bed right now. I was looking over this video that I was supposed to be uploading because I said on Instagram that I was going to film it and upload it, but for some reason I'm not liking the footage. Like, I'm feeling really insecure about it, so I'm kind of feeling like I don't want to upload it. But I don't know, right now it's raining outside and it's like gloomy, and for some reason I just feel like vlogging. Like, that doesn't make any sense, right? Like, I have nowhere to go, it's ugly outside, why would I vlog? That seems kind of boring, you know? But I don't know, I mean, I kind of have to clean a little bit. Actually, I have to clean a lot. Like, my office is filthy. I have to wash dishes. I don't know. I just kind of have like some boring basic stuff to do. Yeah, this video is probably gonna be super boring, super pointless. But if you guys want to see my boring life, then, you know, why not just hang out with me for a little while? Yeah, basically it's just gonna be me and Levi here at home today, cleaning, hanging out. So if you guys want to hang out with me, then just keep on watching. It was just like super dark outside. Like, it looked like it was already like 10 o'clock at night, but the sun kind of came out, and then now it started raining, so I was like, okay. It's slowed down a lot right now, but it's still kind of raining. But look at my bathroom, y'all. Like, this is what I need to clean. Mom, don't be mad at me. I know you're gonna see this and you're gonna be like, girl. I know. My mirror's dirty. I need to clean that too. Y'all haven't even seen my office. Like, whew, look at all this mess. Somebody is in trouble right now. Somebody was smelling the trash. No. Lay down. Get in your crate. You're in trouble right now. You gotta stay, okay? Stay. I left my face moisturizer in my office, so I'm gonna go get that real quick. Alrighty, so now that I've basically washed up and got my skin popping, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this mess because what the Alright, so since I'm about to clean, I'm gonna just put on some music. Let's just see. So I just kind of like organized my countertop, and I was like, wait, why am I doing that when I need to wipe everything down? So about to do that again. Sweating, but it's actually my moisturizer. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean this bathroom, and then I'm gonna be basically cleaning the rest of my apartment, just moving from room to room. I'm gonna do my bedroom first, just pick up a little bit, and then probably move to the office, then the living room, then the kitchen. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm kind of sweating. I look a little gross, but you know what? It's whatever. I'm cleaning, so. Now it is time to tackle my vanity and my desk and put everything where it's supposed to go, because yeah, if you're a girl, you know when we do our makeup, we don't put anything back, or at least I don't. So I have this whole kind of mess that I need to organize and put everything where it needs to go. So let's tackle that now. Okay, cool. So I'm liking this setup for now. This is kind of how my vanity is gonna look. I still need to hang my mirror up and I'm gonna get some lights. I'm also going to be doing this tabletop, like this marble right here. I'm also gonna be doing this too. I just feel like it would look so much better, so much cuter. And you, mister, what are you doing? What are you doing? I gave him this shirt. It was an old shirt of mine. And yeah, he's ripped it up. Go ahead and be in your little bed. Stay in your bed. Go to your bed. Go to your bed. Good boy. Your bed. Your bed. Don't give me that. Get in your bed. Mister, lay down. Lay down. Whatever, stay. Okay, y'all, look at how annoying this is. So, this is supposed to be my kitchen light, right? Off, on, off, on. What is this? Oh, and guys, do not judge with all of our alcohol. I would say that that's all Joseph, but I take a part in that too. Put a load of towels and I'm gonna go ahead and tackle all of that too. Well, my camera batteries died, of course, story of my life, but I'm letting them charge and I went ahead and took a shower. I just didn't wash my hair. I also made me a smoothie. This has strawberries, bananas, blueberries, almond milk, yogurt, and ice, of course. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna chill. It's still raining outside and look, Levi is just like chilling over there in his chair watching the rain. I'm just gonna be doing some editing and wait for my boo thing to get home. Y'all, so I just pulled the chicken and the potatoes out, looking fire. And then we have some asparagus right here. I just put in some minced garlic and then seasoned it. And then we have some angel hair pasta. Freaking excited to eat because I'm starving. And I just want to look at the potatoes because, oh yeah, Oh yeah. Alright guys, so here is my dinner: chicken, red potatoes, angel hair pasta, and asparagus. And yes, it's on a paper plate because like I said, I just finished washing dishes. Not trying to do that again, so paper plate it is. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here because I'm starving, and I'm gonna go ahead and eat and then just spend some time with my boo. And yeah, just hang out for the rest of the day. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I know this video was a little bit different. Sorry if it feels boring. I hope it entertained you, but if it did entertain you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye y'all.